All right, back we go. It is February 19th. Going over some of these stocks today. The market is still going on. Not the best runners today. There's some good moves, but the market has slowed a little bit as far as the crazy action. TNXP, 156 million float, 519 market cap, 19 million market cap. Insiders and institutions don't really own this. News recently, clinical stage bio, focus on discovering, developing, manufacturing, licensing small molecules that treat human diseases, alleviate suffering. All right, so this had the big drop down. You had the split. Said the $2 move back and forth, back and forth. You can see here for many months. Then we exploded up in July, then came back again. So this 2 line is a big line here. Look at this. And then more recently, November, 60 cents, we really started to move up $2. And then we couldn't get over it. So that's why these lines are important. Right here, we couldn't get over it. We pulled back. 4 days. Now we're hugging this 140 zone. This is the 20 EMA. So we got to hold this. We don't hold 140 right here. We're starting to go down still on stochastic. So 140 don't go, 130, 120, down to back to 1. So sort of at critical stage next week will be the telltale if we're going to explode up or we're going to continue to fade back. So that's where we're at. We're stuck in the middle here. Crucial area at this point. All right, that's TNXP. As far as to the lows keep getting higher. Did pull back pretty strong here. So you're looking for a dip buy, or is it a stronger pullback? That's why you just don't know at this point. 5 minute, you sort of dip down sideways. 1 hour chart, you can see this. So the 1 hour, the 2 hour, 4 hour. We're in a downtrend now. It's trying to hold 140. So, but we're in the middle too. Stochastics, when you're low like this, really oversold, that's really going to be a good buy. We're in the middle, so you don't really know at this point with direction. IDX. $200 million float, 1.43 billion market cap. Timios announces expansion of its retail purchasing business. Focus on monetizing adoption commercial electric vehicles, developing financial services, fintech products. All right, so this went back and forth. Look at the high here. This has gone as low as 50 cents all the way up to like 375. Did a big dip here, went back up to 4 almost, came back. Well, with the wick it did. And then you have a low here on this trend line developing. Went here, all the way up to 550. Now, look at how oversold this is on stochastics. This is a straight line down. You're getting extremely oversold. It's at 8.69. You're at the 550 level. Now, is this 375 going to hold? This looks pretty big here, this line. If this doesn't hold, you could sneak all the way back, maybe to this trend line, maybe to 275.3. So it tried to bounce up today. They pushed it. So you're at a key level here. The 375 holds it don't next week and we fall further, or we get a big bounce up. Eventually we climb back to 550. So, look for that area on this. No insider zonus, institutions, nothing really. So, that's where this one stands. We're getting a lot of moves like this. We've run really far from November. Now we're starting to pull back. Is it a deeper pullback? The market's sort of sputtering here. We're not continually crushing every day, 200 up, 300. So we'll see how this plays out. All right, so that's it on these. Oh, wait a minute. I have one more. CRBP. Losing my train of thought. All right, 77 million float, 262 million market cap. Done this many times. Institutions own 51%. The clinical stage bio, we know that. Treat rare, chronic, inflammatory diseases, fibrotic diseases. All right, you have the huge gap here. We talked about this. Cup and handle. Look at this cup right here. Here is the handle. and up we go. Now, it's like almost another cup and handle too. No, no, another handle. Now, we went 125, 175, 250. So we're building bases. So I like to see this hold, maybe even 250 at the low. That's fine. That doesn't mean the move's over here. We come here and we come back up. We test 350, maybe 4 in this. So, that's a big move there. Finviz is drawing a big line right here. You have to get over that candle now. So watch towards that. But nothing really crazy here. You have to move here, move here. We're trying to hold here. It's sort of battling back and forth. That's why a lot of these stocks look like this. They're all pulling back, sort of chopping. You're not really going up right now. You're sort of in a pullback zone. So 250 is a big zone here. If you don't hold 250, you're going much lower. And we got to hold that, and then we'll try to break up again towards 350 plus. I think longer term, we're going to get in here. This is a big open gap. This has great potential, this stock. So just look for that. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trade. Smash the like button. Leave comments. It helps the algos, helps me doing these videos. Appreciate any comments. Stock ticker comments on these stocks. Information is always good. Twitter, Mike K Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Stock Twits, Mike Kim and Trades. That's it. Peace.